string beans. Ayan. Naman.
Ito. Nahan.
Ayan guys. Oh. Ayan. So, ganda ng view. Ayan, dyan kami dumaan. Dyan. Diba? So, ayan na yung string beans. This is my birthplace. Char. So, yep. As you can see, the view. That's the view there, guys. I'm gonna show the view. That one, right? It's all sugar cane. And there, guys. Ooh. So the weather today is good. So, try ko gaangat dito sa babaw ato na. Ari sa maangat ko ari. This is Mama's garden here, top of the hill. So I will tour you guys here. Oh my God, look at that view. My gosh. So they are already removing some weeds in here or grass. Actually, this is peanut here. So as you can see, they're done harvesting the peanut here. So it's not done yet. So as you can see, guys, look at the view. So I'm at the top of the hill. Char. So there is bananas there. View from the top. It's a view, guys. Oh my God, amazing. It's a beautiful view. The peanut. So let's try to harvest here, guys. Oh, so let's try to harvest look at this, guys. Ow. Oh my, not too much, but that's okay. Ew. This is Mama's peanut. Oh, look at that, guys. See, peanut. I'm gonna shoot a peanut. Ganda ng view. Beautiful view. There's lots of banana there, guys. Banana tree, oh. And they just harvest banana fruit. And it's ripe as well. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That's amazing view, right, guys? That's it. Our rice field there is already done.